In this video, we will see about tree search problem. Tree search problem means the problem is solved by searching the tree. The best example of the tree search problem is traveling salesman problem. The traveling salesman problem can be solved by using two methods, namely recursive depth first search. Another one is non-recursive depth first search. Traveling salesman problem is used to find the shortest possible route. The inputs of the traveling salesman problems are set of cities and their distance. So here, what are the rules we have to follow to find the shortest possible route? The first one, all the cities should be visited. Second one, every cities should be visited exactly once. Third, we have to return to the starting point. These three rules we have to keep it in mind while solving the traveling salesman problem. So traveling salesman problem is an example for the NP complete problem. NP complete problem means there is no algorithm known for solving it. So here we have 4 vertices. Here the vertices is said to be a cities. City. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. So these are the cities of the given problem. And 1, 5, 3, 4, 6, 8, 7. These are the distance of the cities. Distance between the cities. Okay. So what are the input for the traveling salesman problem? Cities, or we can say set of cities and their distance. Okay. So distance is nothing but 1, 5, 3, 4. These are the distance. So, so the distance from the city 0 to the city 1 is said to be 1. Okay, the distance from the city 1 to city 0 is 5. Okay. So now what is the objective of the traveling salesman problem? We have to find the shortest possible route. Okay. So here we have the initial city, or we can say starting point of the given problem is city 0. Okay, city 0 is the starting point. So for that we have to start the process from city 0, and also we have to end the process at the city 0, because we have to return to the starting point. So, and what about the next rule? We have to visit all the cities 0, 1, 2 and 3. We have to visit all the cities and also exactly once. Okay, this is the main criteria for solving the traveling salesman problem. So here the starting point is 0 means, so from the 0 we can visit city 1, okay, with the distance value 1, and from the city 0 we can reach the city 2 with the distance 3. Okay, from the city 0 to city 3 with the distance 8. Okay. So it can be represented using search tree. So let me see how. This is the search tree for the 4 city traveling salesman problem. So 0 is the starting point. So 0 is the starting point. This one is the distance. Okay, wow. And first component it is nothing but route. The second component is nothing but distance. Okay, wow. So from the 0 we can reach the city 1. Okay, with the distance 1. From the city 0 to city 2 with the distance 3. From the city 0 to city 3 with the distance 8. Okay, likewise we have to do the remaining task. Okay, in order to construct the tree. Okay, so from the 1 we can reach the city 2 and city 3. Okay, with the distance 3 and 7 respectively. Okay, likewise from the city 2, okay, we can reach the city 1 and city 3 with the distance 21 and 13 respectively. Okay, from the city 3 we can reach the city 1 and city 2 with the distance 12 and 20 respectively. Likewise, so from the city 2 we can visit the city 3. Okay, and also we can return to the starting point with the distance 20. So likewise we are going to construct the tree for the remaining route. Okay, so what about the final objective or ultimate goal here? We have to find the shortest possible route. Okay, so we have to take the leaf node. Okay, in order to find the shortest possible route. Okay, so here the first leaf node, this is the first leaf node, the distance is 20, here the distance is 20, here the distance is 34, here the distance is 22, here the distance is 15, here the distance is 43. Okay, so from that we have to find the minimum distance, which one is 15. So from the city 0 we can reach all other cities with the distance or with the minimum distance 15. So this is the traveling salesman problem. Thank you.